Hello family, welcome back to NaturalLee. If this is the first time you're stopping by, this channel is all about natural remedies for healthy hair growth. Now let's get into it. Today's video we are looking at how to use onion juice in order to take care of inflammation on the scalp. We'll be using 3 ingredients for this video: onion, garlic, ginger and cayenne pepper. These 3 ingredients for this video. If you don't have everything, you can just use 2 or 1. I'm using the white onion because that's what I have available, but you can use the red onions if you have that one also. It's stronger than the white one, so it's rather preferred. This treatment is good when you have inflammation on your scalp, like after you braid and you're having issues with your scalp, like razor bumps or pimples. This treatment is best for you. So let's get into the benefits of each of the ingredients in this video. First of all, onion is rich in sulfur, and in onion juice, it helps to nourish the scalp and stimulates the growth of thick, strong hair. Onion juice also contains several additional nutrients that help to reduce hair breakage and promote shine and volume. I've been using onion juice for a while now, and I must say I'm very impressed. I learned this tip from Green Beauty, which is a very healthy hair channel. Our next ingredient is garlic. Garlic is rich in vitamin C, and it's a great way to promote hair health. It also boosts collagen production that helps stimulate hair growth. The presence of selenium content in garlic helps boost blood circulation for maximum nourishment. We know how blood circulation is important for hair growth. That is why we always advise ourselves to massage our scalp in order to stimulate blood circulation. Our third ingredient is ginger juice. So the ginger juice I poured in is raw ginger that I squeezed out the juice. I juiced the juice out instead of using raw ginger. This is a fresh ginger that I blended, so I just decided to use the juice instead of water. So yes, ginger is also a good way to circulate the scalp while also stimulating each hair follicle, which in turn promotes natural hair growth. The many vitamins, minerals and fatty acids in ginger also contribute to strengthening your hair strands to combat hair loss. So yes, this is me and this is my hair. My hair is very dry. I'm having scalp issues. I did a bit of a pony for a week, and when you do that thing, there's no air into your scalp, and the scalp needs air to breathe. It's just like living beings. We need air to breathe. It's a living thing and it needs air to breathe. So when you take your scalp away from air for a long time, be sure to do some treatment in order to revive the dead follicles, or in order to put some ginger or put some life back onto your scalp. So this is my hair, and it's in twist because I removed the pony and then I decided to twist my hair out. This is my mixture: the onion, garlic, pepper and then ginger, all in one bottle. I was struggling to transfer the mixture from this bottle to my scalp, so I eventually had to change the bottle because the mixture or the treatment was a bit thicker than I expected. I usually make it light because I use water instead of the ginger juice. Try as much as possible to focus on the scalp, because ginger juice treatment is a scalp treatment. It focuses on the scalp, though it's good for the hair strands, but focus more on the scalp because it will work better when the focus is on the scalp. I noticed that when I put the ginger juice in my hair like this, my hair becomes very manageable. It really makes my hair manageable. It becomes bouncy, which signifies that my hair is in a good shape, like it's healthy, and I really appreciate what nature has brought to us. Before you do this treatment, please do a patch test first. A patch test means you should, after your treatment is done, like after your bottle is ready, smear a bit on your wrist or any sensitive part of your body. Like your wrist is also quite sensitive. You smear a bit, then you wait for about 5 minutes and see if there will be any reaction on that part of your skin. Let's say a reddish reaction, pimples or anything. That is a patch test. When you see a reddish reaction, please know that your scalp will not like it, and then at this stage you have to not do this treatment because your scalp will not like it. But when you don't see anything, it means bingo, you are good to go. But sometimes you don't see anything on your wrist, but then when you put it on your scalp, you react negatively. It's natural hair or it's hair. You can always make mistakes and then you learn from your mistakes. In this process, try not to comb your hair so much. Always do the finger detangling method as what you saw in the video, so you don't lose so much hair. Natural hair is a bit complicated when you decide to introduce so much combing into it. So yes, the last ingredient I didn't mention was cayenne pepper. If you saw me putting pepper in my ingredients, you'd be like, what, putting pepper in your hair? Like, research and the internet is so beautiful that you wouldn't know all these until you research. You wouldn't know all this until you try it. And the first time I saw this video, a video of someone putting onion, garlic, pepper, ginger, I'm like, are you for real? Are we going to steam chicken? Like, you make sarcastic comments and you end up trying it and you realize it's amazing. So please don't downplay this treatment. It's very, very good. It's not everything you're supposed to jump on YouTube, but then there's some things that when you do your own research, you realize that it's worth trying. Just like the way it's worth trying ginger, garlic, pepper, and onion. In your measurements, please be careful with the pepper. Some pepper is very, very, very hot, like really hot. So check your measurements. You can just use half a teaspoon of pepper, because you know how pepper can really burn. Half a teaspoon of pepper, so you don't end up burning your scalp so much that it makes you uneasy. So cayenne pepper contains capsaicin nutrients, which stimulates hair growth by enhancing the blood circulation in the hair follicle, hence ensuring better nutrition and healthier hair from within. Hair grows from the scalp, or hair grows from the follicle. So if your inside the scalp, the follicles where the hair is coming from, is not having enough nutrients, you're going to have pale hair strands. Your hair is going to come out and will not be able to survive to any length because it's not surviving. So after I'm done applying all into my hair, I go ahead and steam my hair. You can just decide to wear your rubber and wait around for like 2 hours or maybe 30 minutes, or you go the electric way by wearing your hooded dryer or steamer cap. 15 minutes later, I return with a very soft and moisturized hair. I could tell that the treatment has really penetrated into the pores in my hair, and that is like giving my hair nutrients. Because I eat, I'm also supposed to feed my hair. That is how I always explain it to myself. I eat, yes, the food I put within helps my hair grow, but then it also needs actual nutrients. After here, do well to massage your scalp. Give yourself a good massage so the blood circulation is well circulated in your scalp. I go ahead, wash my hair, shampoo it out very well. Make sure you shampoo it out very well, else you'll be smelling like onion all day. It's not time to deep condition my hair. You can just decide to shampoo and then condition and end it there, but I wanted to deep condition my hair in order to introduce some bit of more moisture into the hair. So this is my DIY deep conditioner, which will be in stock soon. It's made up of nutrients, like correct nutrients, including honey. It's made up of oils, shea butter, and then honey, and this is going to go a long way in moisturizing my hair. Like, you could tell how smooth the consistency of the deep conditioner is. So you can use any deep conditioner of your choice, whether you buy it from a store or what you do at home, or you can just decide to shampoo your hair, just condition it, and you're good to go. This is also very, very good. So guys, let me know what you think about this video. Have you tried onion juice for your hair before? Have you heard anything about it yet? Do you think it's something you want to try? Do you think it's too scary that just the mere thought of putting onion, a vegetable, in your hair scares you? Let me know what you think about it. And how is your natural hair journey like? Is it something that you are just a lazy natural like I used to be, or you are improving on yourself, you are working on yourself and realizing that there's so much opportunities for your hair? Your hair can grow as long as you want it to grow. So let me know what you think about this. As I put the deep conditioner inside, tell me your hair story. I'll also tell you my hair story. So I started my natural hair journey. My first braid was in April 2021. That was last year. And my first braid, I didn't really see anything. Second braid, I didn't really see anything. Third braid, I think my second braid was when I decided to steam my hair, do a lot of research and all that. And yes, I saw massive improvement in my hair. That is why I've taken this hair journey personal. I don't joke with my deep conditioning. I don't joke with my steaming. I don't joke with so many things. Like, I'm very serious now. I'm not a serious natural hair person. So yes, I've come back from washing the deep conditioner out, and I could feel how soft my hair had felt. You can decide to just rinse it out with warm water or wash it out with shampoo, just a mild shampoo, just a little shampoo, just to take away the oil in it. Guys, let me know what you think about this video. I'll be ending here for today. If you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe for more videos and more updates. Thanks everyone for watching. Till next time, bye.